This is an exciting project which aims to provide a new cancer treatment strategy. We have discovered a way of using current cancer therapies to regulate a vital cancer mechanism and make cancer cells more sensitive to an emerging cancer treatment, thus providing a more effective treatment with fewer side effects. When the DNA in our cells gets damaged, our cells have several emergency departments for repairing the damaged DNA. Cancer cells do not like the doctors in these DNA emergency departments telling them to slow down and stop growing so fast. So cancer cells often shut down these emergency departments, leaving just one functioning, and usually this is the ATR CHK1 department. New cancer cures called ATR CHK1 inhibitors shut down this last remaining emergency department. This kills the cancer cells, but not normal cells, which still have all the other emergency departments functioning. Some of the worst prognosis cancers use the old cancer cell immortality mechanism to keep growing forever. Recently, ATR CHK1 inhibitors have been found to be especially effective for killing ALT-positive cancer cells. This is because ALT activity generates excessive amounts of DNA damage, which makes ALT-positive cancer cells especially dependent on the ATR CHK1 department. Our group has discovered strategies for elevating ALT activity only in these cancer cells. This increases DNA damage in the ALT-positive cancer cells and selectively makes these cancer cells hypersensitive to ATR CHK1 inhibitors. We can do this using existing cancer treatments, which means that we could move from the lab to clinical trials very quickly. Our preliminary data supports the hypothesis that increasing ALT activity will make ALT-positive cancer cells hypersensitive to ATR CHK1 inhibitors. Our objectives for this project are firstly to complete the development of clinically approved methods for increasing ALT cancer activity and determine the duration of hypersensitivity to ATR CHK1 inhibitors that each of these treatments creates. We will then confirm that combining our ALT activity elevating treatments with ATR CHK1 inhibitors sensitively and selectively kills ALT-positive cancer cells. This whole project should take 1 year, and hopefully, with your support, we will be able to make a real difference for cancer patients.